Hey everyone, this is my first 2015 stash video for my fireworks for 4th of July. I went today to Four Season Firework, wholesale fireworks here in Orlando, Florida. I picked up a bunch of stuff. I'll be making a couple trips again throughout June, but I'll go over what I got. So these are some cakes. I got a small 200-gram cake here. It's 61 shot. It's by Boomer Fireworks. It's called Whistling Whirl Floral. I got this 500-gram by Dominator. It's a Mammoth Strobe. I got a 500-gram Cutting Edge, 36 shots, Rainmaker. I got this one, American Tribute, 500-gram. That's a 15 shot. Down here I got Gunsmoke by Cutting Edge. That one is, I think it's like 20 shots or something. Then this one's called Unnecessary BS by Cutting Edge, 24 shots. These are some 200 grams down here. This one is Ruby Red or Ruby Sky, 20 shots. I got two of those. I got Riddle Me This. It's a 16 shots. I got this one. These are actually salute shells. They come wrapped like this, but they're salutes. Back there. These are salute rockets. I feel like there's no brand to it, but they're salutes. Over here, these are actually salutes as well. Freaking big. It's like a fountain, and then boom, 1.3 salute. Over here, this is their new brand, I believe they started to carry. Selva's Fireworks. So it's 30 shot. It's called Redneck Girls. Then I got Broke Ass Cake, 16 shot, Bigger Than Yours, 18 shots. Beefcake, 30 shots. Flames of Glory, 42 shots. We got Get Some, 500 gram. I got a couple fan cakes, CEDC, 500 gram, 30 shot. Safety Rules, a loose pack of Excalibur, some leftover salute candles, salute shells, and some little bottle rockets and stuff like that, fused from last year. Alright, so these are all the loose items I bought from today. And then I bought a case of Excalibur, 6-1. I bought a case of... A little bit more rust on the floor over here, dude. Those are 750 shot Saturn missiles. There's two in a case. I bought this case. It's called Impressive RGS Fireworks. That's the 49 shot fan cake, 4-1. I got this case. It's by Cutting Edge. It's firecrackers, two 8,000 strips. I bought this case here. It's 12-1. They're 200 gram cakes by Cutting Edge, making history. And down there, there's 12 300 shot Saturn missiles. So I got these cases so far, and I got all these 500 grams, and this is so far. I'll be going next week again once he gets in some more shipment of different type of things that I would like. But I got a lot of salutes. Salute. And more salutes mixed up in there. I got this leftover couple candles. These are called Big Boy Candles. It's a 8-shot salute. This one is called Air Thunder Flash. Another salute candle. And then I got some salute rockets. Hornet. Salute. And I got these There are these right here. Alright, so this is my fireworks stash so far, guys. Sorry about the crappy video, but subscribe. I'll be making a lot more videos.